Hello, kindergarten. This is Mrs. Rohrig. I'm going to show you how to complete our word work assignment for today. So there are a few tricky things in this, and I want to make sure that you know how to do it. So the first thing that you see when you click on the word work activity is this slide right here. And each one of the slides, there are some letters off to the right, and there's a picture. And below the picture, there are 3 boxes. And that's because each one of the pictures is a word that only takes 3 letters to make the word. So these are what we call CVC words, and that's because it goes consonant, vowel, consonant. So that first letter is always going to be a consonant. The second letter is always going to be a vowel. And that last letter, the ending sound, is always going to be a consonant. So in order to build this word, this is a picture of a cat. So over here are the letters that you can choose from. And we're going to think of first about the beginning sound in cat. I know that I hear a k sound in the beginning of cat. So I'm going to come over and find the C and drag it into the first box. Cat. Now I'm on to the middle sound, and that's a vowel, the middle vowel sound. So k, a, t, k, a, t. Well, that middle sound I hear is a, a, a. I'm going to come drag the A to the middle. K, a, t. The ending sound I hear is t, t. What I have left is E, F, and T. I know k, a, t. I need the T. So I'm going to drag it over. And now I have all 3 boxes filled, and I have spelled the word cat. So each one of these, after you're done, you can go to the next slide by clicking the arrow on your keyboard, or you could scroll down on your mouse if you're using a mouse. What I want you to know too is that when you're doing these, it's very important to keep your screen right here small. If you were to go up and hit the present button and to make it big, it will not let you drag these letters into the boxes. So you need to make sure, because if I try to click, it just goes to the next slide rather than dragging that letter. So you want to make sure that you keep it in the small slide right here rather than making it big. So you're going to go through all of these slides, and you are going to spell out each one of these words. So this word would be can, hat. This little girl is sad, bag, fan, bat, ham, and nap. And when you're done doing all of those words and spelling them out, you are going to need to turn it in to your teacher. So in order to turn it in to your teacher, you are going to look up to the top of your screen, and right here is what you've been working in. And you're going to go over here back to your Google Classroom. And if you go back to your Google Classroom, this is what you had clicked on, which was your WordWork CVC activity. And you can go right down here to View Assignment. And if you click on View Assignment, it has saved all of the work that you did, and it will remember that. So when you go right over here, you can click Turn In. And you need to click Turn in order for your teacher to be able to see all of the hard work that you've done. And so as soon as you finish all of these, you will be able to turn it in. And don't forget that step so that we are able to see that you did all of that hard work. Okay? Thank you so much. I hope that you have fun.